Hello, friends. Today I'm bringing you a very special story about two little adventurers, Niki and Manu, and a fascinating discovery in the attic of Aunt Carmela's farm. In a corner of the attic, among dusty boxers and forgotten memories, Niki and Manu found a very special treasure, a worn blue notebook that belonged to their Aunt Carmela when she was a child. My composition: the Apollo 11 astronauts today, they landed on the moon. I want to fly to one day I'll be a pilot and have a house on another planet. Manu reads with curiosity. Aunt Carmela was from the space generation, Niki exclaims in amazement. And so, as if by magic, the pages of the notebook transport them to New York. On a very special day, August 13th, 1969, the entire city is celebrating the heroes of Apollo 11, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. Look, Niki, it's like a meteor shower, but made of paper. Manu marvels as the confetti falls onto Broadway. They walked on the moon, and now everyone wants to celebrate them here on Earth. Niki replies, her eyes shining. Did you know that on that day, the astronauts received medals at City Hall and visited the United Nations? And then they flew to Chicago for another parade. Apollo 11 achieved the impossible on July 20th, 1969. It wasn't easy. They faced communication problems, computer alarms, a rocky terrain, and almost ran out of fuel. They were just 18 seconds away from canceling the entire mission. Wow! So, to get to the moon, you don't just need rockets, You also need nerves of steel, Manu muses. Back in the attic, Niki realizes something important. Now I understand why Aunt Carmela wanted to be a pilot and live on another planet. And even though she doesn't live on Mars, she flew real airplanes. Manu adds proudly, dreams born in childhood can reach far and wide, some even to the moon. If you enjoyed this adventure with Niki and Manu, don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories that make us dream and learn. See you on the next adventure, little explorers.